Welcome to TravelScout channel. In today's video, we will tell you about Arlington, Texas. We'll be going to explore Arlington, Texas, and find the best places to visit, things to do, what to eat, and everything that makes your stay here memorable. But before we dive into the video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for future updates here on the TravelScout channel. Arlington, Texas, the largest city in the state, known for its friendly people, rich history, and vibrant culture. There are plenty of amazing places to explore and things to do in Arlington, Texas. So let's dive into the top things to do and visit in this wonderful city. AT&T Stadium is a multi-purpose stadium located in Arlington, Texas, and it is the home of the Dallas Cowboys of the National Football League. The stadium has a seating capacity of 80,000, making it one of the largest stadiums in the NFL. It opened in 2009 and is known for its retractable roof and video board, which is one of the largest high-definition screens in the world. The stadium also hosts a variety of other events, such as concerts, college football games, and boxing matches. Globe Life Field is a state-of-the-art baseball stadium and is the home of the Texas Rangers of Major League Baseball. The field also has an artificial playing surface, which is designed to provide consistent playability and reduce the risk of player injury. The stadium features a variety of dining options, including local and national favorites, as well as a club level with premium seating and amenities. The stadium's design and cutting-edge technology make it a must-see destination for sports fans and anyone interested in modern architecture and engineering. Six Flags Over Texas is a popular amusement park and one of the flagship properties of the Six Flags chain. The park opened in 1961 and covers an area of 212 acres, featuring over 40 rides, including roller coasters, water rides, and family-friendly attractions. Some of the park's most famous roller coasters include the Titan, which is one of the tallest and fastest coasters in Texas, and the New Texas Giant, which was named the best new ride of 2011 by Amusement Today magazine. In addition to thrill rides, the park also features a variety of live entertainment, games, and dining options. Hurricane Harbor is a water park that covers an area of 47 acres and features a variety of water rides and attractions for all ages. The park's most popular attractions include the Bahama Beach Wave Pool, the Typhoon Twister Water Slide, and the Tornado, which is a 75-foot tall funnel that sends riders spinning through a whirlpool. The park also features a lazy river, a splash pad for young children, and a variety of other water slides and attractions. The park is a popular destination for families, groups of friends, and anyone looking for a fun and refreshing way to beat the heat in Arlington. The International Bowling Museum and Hall of Fame is a museum located in Arlington, Texas, dedicated to preserving the history and heritage of bowling. The museum features exhibits and interactive displays that highlight the evolution of bowling over the years, from ancient civilizations to modern day. Visitors can learn about the sport's origins and development, as well as famous bowlers throughout history and their contributions to the game. The museum also features a collection of artifacts, including vintage bowling equipment, trophies, and memorabilia. The Arlington Museum of Art is a museum that features a variety of rotating exhibits of contemporary art, photography, and cultural artifacts. The museum's mission is to inspire and educate visitors through the power of art. The museum hosts a variety of exhibitions throughout the year, featuring works by local, national, and international artists. The exhibitions cover a wide range of themes and styles, and the museum often collaborates with other cultural institutions to create unique and thought-provoking shows. The Arlington Museum of Art is a must-visit destination for art lovers and anyone looking for a unique and enriching cultural experience in Arlington. River Legacy Park is a beautiful 1,300-acre park and one of the largest urban parks in the area. The park features a variety of outdoor activities, including hiking and biking trails, picnic areas, playgrounds, and scenic views of the Trinity River. The park's trail system is extensive, with over 8 miles of paved trails and 10 miles of unpaved trails, making it a popular destination for hikers, bikers, and runners. The park also offers opportunities for fishing and kayaking in the river. The center features live animals, a butterfly garden, and a variety of educational displays and exhibits. The Levitt Pavilion is an outdoor music venue located in downtown Arlington that features free concerts and performances throughout the year. The Pavilion is an open-air amphitheater that can accommodate up to 3,000 people and features a state-of-the-art sound and lighting system. The Pavilion hosts a variety of musical genres, including country, rock, jazz, blues, and pop. The concert schedule typically runs from May through October, and visitors are encouraged to bring blankets, lawn chairs, and picnic baskets to enjoy the performances. Arlington Highlands is a popular shopping and entertainment complex in Arlington, Texas. The complex features a variety of stores, restaurants, and entertainment options, making it a great destination for visitors of all ages. The shopping options at Arlington Highlands are diverse, with a mix of national chains and local boutiques. Visitors can find everything from clothing and accessories to home goods and electronics. The complex also features a movie theater where visitors can catch the latest blockbusters. The Parks at Arlington is a popular shopping mall, also features a variety of dining options, ranging from fast food to sit-down restaurants, including popular chains like Chick-fil-A, Five Guys, and Olive Garden. In addition to shopping and dining, the Parks at Arlington features a movie theater where visitors can catch the latest blockbusters, as well as a variety of events and activities throughout the year, including live music performances, holiday celebrations, and special sales and promotions. Overall, the Parks at Arlington is a great destination for shopping, dining, and entertainment, and is a must-visit for anyone looking for a fun and lively atmosphere in Arlington. What are your favorite things to do in Arlington, Texas? Let us know in the comments. We love hearing your thoughts and travel adventures. Be happy and safe travels. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for future updates here on the TravelScout channel. Thank you for watching.